My diddling demon says it's semen. My spidey sense seems to be tingling. My diddling demon, my juggling, jingling, diddling demon. It's semen, says the demon, to be tormenting my dreams. It's a diddling, tingling demon. I am twinkling, sprinkling. I am twinkling, sprinkling, tinkling. My diddling demon, my diddling, demon. It is whispering. Don't you see it sparkling? I am impaling rhymes like Count Dracula, mosquito. I am impaling rhymes like Count Dracula, mosquito. I am impaling infinite raps like a Dracula, Vladimir, Count Dracula, mosquito. I am impaling infinite decapitation, disembowelment, never ending, syllable hypnosis. I am mummifying hieroglyphics by pig entity, by infinite garbage disposal, by infinite rhyme arsenal. I am aerosol, Toyota, Yamaha, abracadabra. I am the Houdini weenie. I am the Houdini with a very big weenie. I am a genius with a penis. It is never ending again. My subconsciousness slips away my consciousness. I slip away my consciousness into subconsciousness. I am blissful, memories remain, that I will always have faith. Maybe I'll lay down by the bay. I just may, if that be okay. Spit in rhymes all day. What do you say? I just may spit in rhymes all day. Down by the lake. I just may, if that be okay. But diddling demon is whispering. It's semen, says the demon, to be tormenting my infinite dreaming again. My diddling demon. My spidey senses tingling, says the demon. My spidey senses tingling, says the demon. It's semen to being the bleak ember of December. Will sleep with little slices of death. How I loathe them. I cannot stop chanting, rapping again. I am dreaming. I am annihilating, eliminating syllables, disembowelment, decapitation off of the heads of syllables, says the red queen for all of eternity. I am, it's semen, says the demon, to being, it's semen, says the demon, being spraying it, I am saying it, or I am spraying it. I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Let me act 'em, says Scrappy Doo. Stop stealing my doobie, Scooby, says Shaggy. Let me act 'em. Scooby-Dum, Scooby-Doo, Shaggy too. Shaggy the hippie. I am just a homeless bum, murdering rhymes just for fun. Aren't I just a big dumb stupid homeless bum? Murdering rhymes just for fun. Sparkling garbage disposal by pig entity. I am the dragon demon. Venom energy drinks. I am drinking infinite venom energy drinks. Subway, eat fresh, hot pocket, spitting out rocket in my pocket. I got a locket, my shotgun out, cock it. Then I got a rocket launcher, and a van full of missile launchers, and a contraband van full of ganja. For the law, such cynicism when it isn't in my system. Such cynicism when it isn't in my system. Never ending, spitting out wow, syllable chow. When I'm not around, you'll hear my syllable sounds. I'll keep going on and on right now, as the winds, as the world, as it spins and it swirls and it twirls. Two little beautiful worlds, as it spins and it twirls. So I am sprinkling, it's semen, says the demon. 'Tis of thee, twixt thee, thou infinite me, to infinity and beyond, never endingly. Houses trying to diagnose the puzzle box of rap immortality. House is diagnosing the puzzle box of rap immortality. Dr. House is trying to solve the Rubik's Cube, the puzzle box of rap immortality. But Tetris, salami, karate, Bruce Lee battles Jack Chan, Jackie Chan battles Bruce Lee. Abanakaya, karate, Sandy Cheeks battles SpongeBob SquarePants. Plankton says to SpongeBob, elaborate, validate. Gastronomic coop, Ralph says Double D. But I love chickens, Eddie. I am scamming, hustling, bedazzling, bewildering, extraterrestrial, delightfully photosynthesis. telekinesis, exodia, Yu-Gi-Oh, baffling. It stifles me, man. Cannot stop dreaming of infinite rapping again. I can't stop. Run, rabbit, run, I said. Be rabbit. It is like a hopping bunny rabbit. It is, here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Look at his fuzzy blue tail. Never ending again. I'll get you, my pretty, and your little soul, too, says Freddy Krueger in my dreams again. Never endingly, here comes Jason. Jason takes Manhattan. And I am Jason versus Carrie, Carrie versus Mewtwo, Mewtwo versus Darkseid, Darkseid versus Thanos, Magneto, Levitate and Wolverine, and Deadpool, never endingly, Spider-Man. I am diddling my spidey senses tingling, says the diddling demon, the dragon diddling demon, the diddling demon dragon. By fire-breathing dragon demon, I'm by fire-breathing dragon demon. It must be semen, says the demon. I'm spitting never-endingly. My spidey senses tingling. My dinoline is, my balls are jingling. My dinoline is diddling, and my spidey senses tingling. Look at that jackass, won't stop swinging his dinoline. I'm sprinkling rainbow from my diddling dinoline. My spidey senses tingling. What am I saying? I just may eat all of this cupcakes. I will eat all of these brownies and cupcakes. Never end Taco Bell, think outside the bun. Spit in the honey buns and cinnamon buns. Rice Krispie treats, caramel, apple bottom carousel, merry-go-round, Ferris wheel, merry-go-rounds and Ferris wheels, infinite roller coasters of rides. I'm shooting across the Milky Way, universally, galaxy, Star Trek, Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, Twilight fades away the night. Here comes the infinite rhymes. Never stop spitting off the top of my mind. What hippity hoppity hop, hippopotamus. I am a rhinoceros hippopotamus. I am the Houdini weenie, infinity me's. I am the Houdini weenie, infinity me's. Freestyling, a never-ending story of freestyling. Spitting again. This is my never-ending typewriter. A spitter, silver platter of rhymes, a spitter spatter. Teeter-totters, tater tots, a platter, a silver platter of a spitter, a songwriter, a song spitter. Maybe I've been on the road too long, living my life through these songs. Guess I'm loving a museum, really wasn't in my plans. It doesn't really matter if I'm sorry again. I am rapping along to the X-Files theme song, never-endingly, spitting for all of eternity. The Tetris, the crossword puzzles of Pocahontas, Poedots, the CIA watches me through my technology. My CIA watches me through my technology. I turn around with a big smile. What my white ass then crossed 8 mile. The Nile. The Nile is not the river in Egypt, I said. By pig entity will gobble you up for by all of eternity. By pig entity will gobble you up infinitely, repetitionally. Christopher Robin says to Tigger, stop making Piglet jealous, man. But I like to diddle my dinoline, says Tigger. Wonderful thing about Tiggers is Tiggers have infinite springs. The poppable, ploppable ripple, the bottomless infinite springs. I have fun, infinite springs. Nanny, look at me, Piglet, says Tigger. I am diddling, sweet in my dinoline. Stop it, Tigger, you're making Piglet jealous, says Igor. But I like to diddle my dinoline. I have infinite springs, says Tigger. I have infinite springs, and I am diddling my dinoline. It's semen, says the demon. I am Tigger, and I am diddling my infinite slinky. I am Tigger, and I am diddling my infinite slinky. Christopher Robin says, stop making Piglet jealous, man. But I like to nana, Piglet. Look at me, look at my infinite spring. Nana, look at me. I am diddling my jingling, juggling dinoline. I am diddling it, Piglet. Nana, look at me. I am diddling my dinoline all over 100-acre wood, says Tigger to Piglet. Nana, look at me. A wonderful thing about Tiggers. The stickers have infinite springs. Top of a ripple. Bottomless infinite springs. I have infinite springs that are fun for your mama and your grandma. Plow, there goes grandma underneath a sleigh. Says Santa, no, who's that coming down the chimney? That must be Santa Claus, says Grandma. That must be Santa Claus, don't you hear his balls jingling down the chimney? I smoke cigarettes like an Idaho chimney. I smoke cigarettes all day like a chimney. Puffin' chain smoking them cigarettes. The cuckoo clock of doom from Goosebumps. Here comes the slappy ventriloquist dummy. You'll be my slave forever, Slappy says. Never endingly, I'll keep on spitting for all of eternity. I'm like a dragon demon. A seaman, says the dragon demon. The dungeon will be locked inside of the dungeon with the dragon demon. Never ending, the dragon the beast. The dragon the beast by Antichrist false prophecy. In control of hell currently, like it says in the book of Revelation in the Bible, can't you see? The revelation, then the end of the world and the revival of innocence. What is innocent? Innocent is true perfection. Innocent is what true perfection is. The revival of innocence after the revelation of syllables. Hieroglyphics, Ethiopian, Egyptian, Fruitian, pyramids, aliens, Martians, UFO, extraterrestrial. I am a con artist, a freestylist, a verbalist. I spit for the lovers, not my fucking haters. I'll never stop spitting again. Love and the marriage, love and the marriage go together like a horse and carriage. Love and the marriage, they go together like a horse and carriage. What I want for Christmas is my two teeth. On my 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me four turtle doves and a partridge and a pear tree. Beauty and the Beast. The flowers are dead and wilted like the movie Beauty and the Beast. The demon is coming for me. It's semen, says the demon. Don't you see the Rubik's Cube, Tetris, Jujitsu, Spit-a-loop, Igloo, avalanches of rhymes. I will spit never endingly. Laser vision, says Superman from Metropolis. Captain America, Wolverine fights the Hulk versus Spider-Man. Here comes Iron Man. Here comes Magneto is levitating Wolverine and throwing him at the Hulk. Here comes the Juggernaut, Sabretooth, to fight Wolverine. It is the thing, the lightning passes over me. Lightning strikes Thomas Edison, helps him discover electricity. Zeus strikes Thomas Edison and lightning and helps him discover electricity. What am I spitting to thee? Everybody report to the dance floor. It's butt squeezing, it's just season. Just go. Sometimes I go a little bit crazy. Sometimes I get a little bit out of control with my rhymes. I don't remember what I said last night. Drank too many nasty daddies over ice. Drank too many Four Locos last night. I popped too many amphetamines and I am going to sleep for eternity. I think so, but I blacked out. I woke up naked at McDonald's with blood all over me, dead bodies behind the counter. Shit, I am hallucinating. Cartoon characters again. I am tripping on liquid acid in New York City and Albany. Schenectady, Albany, New York City. I was tripping on acid in K2. I was traveling all over Saratoga tripping on K2. And I am smoking infinite. I am tripping all night. We are not alike. Just hand me that mic. I'll spit never endingly. White America, but I can rap, so fuck school. I'm too cool to go back. Hand me that mic and show me where that motherfucking studio's at. I spit like a dragon demon and rap. Fire like a dragon demon and rap. Never endingly. It's seeming to be semen. My balls are jingling. Down the chimney, plow. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Stop laughing at me. I can't help it that I'm a misfit and I can't fit in. I'm like a misfit puzzle piece, says Rudolph. I'm a misfit, can't fit in. Look, Rudolph was blowing red nose like a misfit of rhymes. Rudolph, with your nose so bright. won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And all the reindeer loved him. Then one shiny, one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Frosty the snowman was a very merry soul. Watch him jingle his dinoline underneath the mistletoe. Grandmother, giggity, giggity, goo, ga, ga, giggity, giggity, goo, I'm gonna ga, ga, ga. Spit in, kayate, kayate, spit in, kayate, stupido puta. Si, senor, spit in the blur. Syllables galore, gargoyle, syllables galore, gargoyle, syllable plow, syllable chow, wow. I'm yummy pa, giggity, giggity, goo, ga, bet the ba. Giggity, giggity, goo, ga. I'm yummy pie, yabba dabba doo. But they do a double. I'm spitting gibberish and syllables, a syllable overflow, a mummifying syllable diamond. I am spitting diamond in my encyclopedia of infinite rhymes. I am a typewriter, a never-ender, spitter on silver platter, infinite rhymer on silver platters, infinite rhymers on silver platters. I'm a never-ending song spitter. Crucifix. I must be speaking blasphemy. Please just crucify me. I must be speaking blasphemy, so you must crucify me, said Jesus. I must be speaking blasphemy, so you must crucify me. We shall crucify thee, Jesus. I will spit never ending versus Sparta. The Barcayate, King Velasquez, Battles, John Jones, both at their peak. Who would win that? Muhammad Ali. Boxer versus wrestler match. Muhammad Ali versus Brock Lesnar. Who would win that? Who would win the boxer versus wrestler match between Brock Lesnar and Muhammad Ali? Oh golly gee, guacamole. Oh golly gee, guacamole. Holy guacamole is spitting at me. I'll give a chance of meatballs and chocolate fudge, chocolatey, delightfully, marshmallowly. I'm spitting orange delightfully, apple bob and blueberry pie, but the rock likes poontang pie. Spitting that, but the true definition of gay is actually happy. The definition of retard is a slow or slander. I'll never stop spitting rhymes in a silver platter. I'm an infinite rhyme spitter, a typewriter, a rhyme spitter, never-ending rhyme spitter, a rhyme typewriter. I'm a never-ending rhyme spitter, typewriter, equator, annihilator, equalizer. I'm an equalization, annihilation, war of the worlds, planet of the apes. Never-ending Star Trek and Star Wars, Jedi mind tricks. Luke, I am your father, like Darth Vader said in Star Wars. Never stop coming back from the dead. Reaching my hand out of the grave again to bash in your head. Put your mouth on the curb, I said. Stomp your head in a mess. American History X. Underdog, underdog. But Powerpuff Girls, blossom, butter, blossom, butter, blah, burger, blossom, bubbles, buttercup, mojo, jojo. Pokemon Pikachu, Kazoon type, spitting rhymes all night. Kazoon type, spitting rhymes never ending all night. I don't have the right, land of the dead, misfit, silver and gold. I am old, I am pretzels, full flavor. Spitting me Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Red Bull, Cola, Subway, eat fresh, delicious, man. I am contagious, outrageous. I am contagious, outrageous. I am zoning out, I'm spacious, ferocious, supercalifragilistic, anti-disestablishmentarianism, supercalifragilistic, infinitism, giantism, syllabalism. I am annihilating Dr. Seussianism, invasion, equation. I am equator, never-ending Terminator, Robocop, who thinks their arms are long enough to slap box with God. Robocop, hippity hop, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, Allosaurus, Ankylosaurus, Stegosaurus, Brachiosaurus. Godzilla fights King Kong. Godzilla and King Kong fight a hawk and juggernaut. Never-endingly Silver platter, Batman fights Superman, Dawn of Justice. Here comes the Flash and Wonder Woman. Teen Titans go. I am slow, right? Phone is loading, buffering, trying to compute this. This is not compute, this infinite RAM. Lady Pew says I am stinking up syllables again. That does not compute. The computer calculator says this does not compute, says the calculator. The computer. I am by rhyme computer, by poetry calculator, by nursery computer. I am by rhyme terminator, escalator, lacerating, slicing, dicing. I am translating you, infinite syllable hypnosis, overflowing hieroglyphics in the pyramids of Ramanole, all day. I am outrageous, it is contagious, syllable cannabis into my abyss. Go my infinite lyricist, the lyricist infinitist. I am the word infinitist lyricist, a freestylist, that I need an exorcist. I am spitting syllables into the abyss of the pit, never endingly slaying syllables all day on my roller coaster. Reggie, Otto, Rocket Power, Twister, Squid, Sam, but the squid, lame-o, spitting a low, over the infinite tempo by Gigolo. Watch me fuck your mom now, here I go, you can hear bitch, it's a show. I'm the infinite syllable Sharknado, Volcano, Eclipse, Superman from Metropolis, versus Darkseid versus Thanos, spitting about Doctor Strange, about the underworld, Grim Reaper, Dracula, Mosquito. Count Dracula is impaling infinite syllable flow. I'm impaling infinite syllable flow. Whoa, there I go. Syllable overdose, syllable overflow. When I compose art like the ghost of Mozart. I keep spitting wherever you are. Once upon a shooting star. I am the rhyme encyclopedia, torpedo. I am Houdini with a weenie. I am beyond genius consciousness. I'm a genius with a penis. Jesus penis. Jesus genius penis. Elvis Jesus. Elvis and Jesus. The ghost of Elvis Presley. John Lennon. Michael Jackson. I'll start multiplying syllables. I can multiply infinite syllables. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Anti-disestablishmentarianism. Subconscious. Imbecilic mentalities. Incompetent for court. That's what my syllable squirt. Squirting out of my jugular veins. Infinite repetitional insane. Infinite repetitional insane. Repetitional sanity. Crazily, wackily. Looney Tunes and what the fuck. Rhyming gibberish. I am the hippity hoopla. Solving words, solving puzzles. Like words of crosswords. Rap is like a puzzle but with words. Spitting a syllable turd. I'm spitting a syllable. Syllables, haven't you heard? I am the rhyming syllable nerd. Haven't you heard? Oh, you didn't know? Your ass better call someone. Giving the stinking syllables. Yokozuna, Bret the Hitman Hart. Woo! Ric Flair, spitting the syllable flare. Syllable, it is unfair. Life is unfair. Can't express to you how much I truly care. Life just is a fair. Can't express to you how much I truly care. There, I am unaware. A syllable grizzly bear. Syllable polar bear. Syllable grizzly black polar bear. A black polar bear. Penguins, what the fuck? The Madagascar lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. Dorothy clicking her heels together. There's no place like home. No place like home. Tell him to hell, Freddy sent ya. Spitting again. Let's talk about crucifix. I am speaking blasphemy. You must crucify me. So crucify me, for thou am speaking blasphemy. Never ending story of nursery. A typewriter of infinite poetry. A whirlpool of insanity. Loch Ness Monster. abominable snowman. We still don't even know the existence or non-existence of Bigfoot, or the Loch Ness Monster, or the abominable snowman. We still don't know the non-existence or existence. We have no proof either one of the non-existence or existence of Bigfoot, Loch Ness Monster, and abominable snowman. Maybe it's a superstition. Maybe it's non-fictional. Maybe it's fictional or non-fictional. I blur the lines between fictional and non-fictional. I blur the lines between fictional and non-fictional. I'm never-endingly spitting metaphorical, vulgarital, plural, never-ending, multiplying syllables, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, ferocious, anti-establishmentarianism, syllable overflowage, sewage. There's an alligator in the sewers of New York City, where Jason takes Manhattan. Jason is walking down Times Square. I'm juggling syllables again down Times Square. I am unaware. I'll pull down my underwear, moon you, and I'll pull down my underwear and moon you. I am unaware. Spit and pulling down my underwear at Times Square. I am pulling down my underwear, mooning you at Times Square. Spit and I am unaware, drunken, unaware. I'm very drunkenly. I don't remember anything. I blacked out last night. Said some things on the internet I wouldn't have normally, but I didn't do it intentionally. I didn't do it intentionally. I blacked out last night. Said things on the internet I wouldn't have normally. I must be incoherently right now, crazily. I am insanity. Can't hold anything I say against me, cause I'm insanity. Can't hold it. I am incompetent for court. You can't hold anything against me. I plead the insanity plea. I plead the insanity plea. Infinitely, they'll lock me inside of a loony bin. Michael Myers once again has said, I have nothing more to say, Michael Myers said, in the loony bin. Jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those peepers? Jeepers, creepers, so nice, where did you get those eyes? Michael Myers versus Jeepers, creepers. Jason X versus the Terminator. Here comes Robocop. I spit and I flop. Ploppity plop, hippity hop. I am plopping the plop, the hippity hop. Subway eat fresh, hippity hop. McDonald's, I'm loading it. Spittin'. Burger King, have it your way, man. I actually like Burger King more than McDonald's secretly, but McDonald's is more convenient with location. Even though I think Burger King's food is better, I'm a syllable spewer. A roller, says Ric Flair. Spittin' again, never ending. Here comes Charlotte Flair and Ric Flair. Edge, a rated R superstar. Goldberg, never endingly. Kevin Owens and Stone Cold stuttering syllable hypnosis. Austin 316 says, I just whooped your ass, man. Whooped your ass, man. Viva La Raza. Frog flashing infinite syllables. 6-1 is Eddie Guerrero, Rob Van Dam. Rey Mysterio 619 in syllables. The Great Khali versus Omos. Here comes the Big Show versus Andre the Giant. I think Big Show's actually shrunk over the years since 2003, cause now Big Show has shrinkage. Big Show has shrinkage since 2003. Semen, it must be semen, says the diddling demon. My spidey senses tingling. My spidey senses tingling. I'm jingling. I'm nutting out of my dingling. I'm sprinkling a rainbow. Look at that jackass won't stop swinging his dingling. And look at me. I'm swinging my diddling demon. The dragon spin fire like a dragon demon. I am juggling, jingling balls. Behold my juggling, jingling balls. Spitting a fireball from my diddling dingling. I'm spitting fireballs from diddling dinglings. I'm the real Slim Santa, cause I'm the real Kris Kringle. Your mama and your grandma love it because my balls jingle. Pow, there goes Rudolph, plowing your grandma again. Rudolph is butt fucking your grandma again. Hey, we'll take turns between mama and grandma. So Santa and Rudolph will take turns with mama and grandma. Santa and Rudolph will take turns with mama and grandma. But the Bob, I'm a llama. I like llamas, says Carl from Jimmy Neutron Brain Blast. Everlast, I'm spitting syllable blast. syllable plastic, syllable Resident Evil, Underworld, dragons, wolves, lycans, vampire rock cop, imagine that blah. I'm imagine that blah syllable sounds, never ending that ka. And then a blah, and then a ka, blah, sa, ra, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. There I go, it never ends, my overflow, over sewage of spewage. There are alligators in the sewers of New York City. Jason Voorhees takes Manhattan. I'm spitting, I'm rapping, I'm chanting, word vomiting, puking, regurgitating, upchucking lyrics. I'm the annihilator. My 30-minute typewriter 7, yo.